Morning guys. Today for a change we walk in this area, the other side of barn, silver barn, and it's so windy, so although it's sunny, but I look like this because it's windy and it's cold. So there's so many walkers today because it's sunny. Let them pass, Han. Denise, move in the side na. And then keep going. Let's go.
See, they're all slim.
They're all slim, yeah.
I got a little bit one.
Come on now, come on now.
I got one, Mom.
Yeah. And then
I got one bird.
there, that is Living Beach. And then that's Caravan.
Where?
There. Caravan. We normally walk. And here it's ta-da!
I'm excited.
Dali na.
Mom,
That one looks like nest, but it's not nest. So many of that in the trees. Kani basta lang ni maka-content good. Char. Pang reserva ba? Dali na. See the water coming out from there. Dancing in the... There's so many wild birds in here because people are feeding them. So we are happy. Hiya. We are happy because people. There's so many. Oh, she threw in the side. Look. Here. Here. That old woman's throwing the seeds. Honey, honey. There, honey. There, honey. There, there.
Where?
Robin, there. Just put your hands like that. There.
Can't see it.
There. There.
Yeah.
Just do that.
I didn't see a Robin.
I can't see Robin
No.
anymore.
At the bottom. Look down. Look down in front of you. Look down. Here. You see it now.
Mom, I can't see Robin anymore.
There. That is feeding the Robin.
But Mom, I can't see Robin anymore.
There's loads in the ground, nak. Oh, there's Robin, nak. Oh.